And this includes all of the resources and tools that you'll need to succeed with your Amazon dropshipping business, starting with creating your seller account, which we will jump into in just about a second. But if you want access to this cheat sheet after watching this video, leave a comment below, hashtag Amazon. Let me know what your top takeaway is from this video, and I will happily send you this cheat sheet. But don't ask for it now. First, watch the video and learn how to do it step by step. And for those of you who are completely new here, let me answer a couple of questions before we get started. So what is Amazon dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you can have an online store and sell products without actually holding them in stock. As soon as you get an order, you'll go to your supplier's website, purchase the product, and ship it to your end customer. The profit that you keep is the difference between the source price and your selling price. And now with Amazon, the world's #1 e-commerce giant, you can dropship on their platform by joining other sellers' buy boxes, and I'm going to go through all of that soon. But in any case, what you're going to do here is create your dropshipping business on Amazon and sell products on Amazon without actually holding them in stock. So we understand that we're going to create a dropshipping store on Amazon, and we're going to sell products without putting any money into our inventory. And of course, I'm going to show you a way to do it on a budget without having any expenses until you start making your first few sales. Now,